In this video, we are going to demonstrate managing thread comments using the Threads app. Whether you're seeking to control who can comment on your threads or looking to foster broader engagement, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. To start, launch the Threads app and locate the pencil and paper icon positioned at the center bottom of the screen. This is your gateway to crafting engaging content and initiating discussions. Begin by typing out your Threads content. You also have the option to enrich your post by tapping the paperclip icon, allowing you to attach captivating photos to your threads. When your content is ready for the world to see, focus your attention on the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll notice an option labeled "Anyone can reply." This signifies that anyone, regardless of their connection to you, can leave their thoughts in the comments section. If you wish to fine-tune this accessibility, follow these steps. Tap on the "Anyone can reply" option. A menu will appear with alternative reply settings. Choose only profiles you follow if you prefer that only individuals you're connected with have commenting privileges. Opt for "Only Mentioned" if you'd like to permit replies solely from those you tag or mention in the thread. Others won't have the option to comment. To restrict responses further, select "Profiles you follow can reply." This ensures that only users you're keen on hearing from can contribute their thoughts. If your objective is to boost interaction and expand your follower base, consider switching to "Anyone." This setting opens up the discussion to everyone, promoting more comprehensive engagement. Following these straightforward instructions will empower you to regulate your thread comments according to your preferences. If you have any inquiries or require additional assistance, don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comments section below. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon